Welcome to Maroon Talk, the only segment dedicated for anything and everything UP Fighting Maroons. I'm Fimran, batch 2010 from UP Los Baños.
Enzo Rigondola, batch 2010, UP Diliman.
Rhea Alcantara, batch 2010, UP Diliman, 2011, UP Diliman.
What's up, yo?
Hello. Hello. Hello, hello, hello.
Hello.
First of all, welcome back to the show, Doc Bay Alcantara. What's up? Medyo...
Long time
Oo nga injured. Injured
It's been a
athlete.
while, ha? It's been a while. Yung mga nagtatanong, or hindi nagtatanong, medyo busy Bea ngayon. Congratulations sa bagong clinic. Beaming
Yes.
Dental Clinic along sa may SM North Edge. Sa mga taga
Yes.
go ahead and
Visayas Am.
Visayas Ave. Okay, so mga taga
Yeah.
dyan. Tsaka full-time wedding guest din pala siya. Maid of honor bride. Ganyan.
Walang bayad.
Dami ng kasal na pinupuntahan niya this year. Sobrang fully booked niya. Baya,
Part-time
In demand
athlete.
part-time
Part-time
athlete
athlete.
din. Sobrang daming ganap. Bea, nice to have you back. Okay. So, ito na yun. We finally got a win over
Ito na
Lasal
yon.
this season. We beat Lasal 73-65, getting game 1 of the UAP Finals for season 87.
Yes, yes, yes.
Good job.
Galing.
Ah,
Ganda nun.
yeah. Muna yung kayo. Go ahead kayo guys. Quick reactions. What did you guys think of the game? Kayo muna.
Ano sinabi natin? Turnovers. Bano yung Lasal dun. Ano nangyari? Turnovers ngayon. 18-11. Yan ang sinasabi natin pag iniingatan natin yung bola. Good things happen. Ano pa nangyari? Na-shoot natin yung free throws natin. 17 of 23. Yan ang sinasabi natin kapag nakukuha natin yung libreng points. Good things happen. And yan, 'di ba? 1-0 tayo ngayon. Na-break na natin ang losing streak against Lasal na ilan ba? 4 games since last finals. So, good job team.
Talking about free throws. Sorry, Bea, wait lang. Talking about free throws. Ang masama pa si Jacob, 3 of 6. Francis Lopez, 3 of 4. Not bad. QMB, 3 of 4. Jerry Badiano, perfect, 2 of 2. Aldous, 2 of 2. Harold, 2 of 2. Good job, boys, on the free throw line. Go ahead, Bea.
Yeah, super agree dun sa free throws. Parang ilang episodes ko na naririnig ko na guys yung need to improve. Aside from, parang 5. 5 lang ata yung nila. Ayun, tapos, gusto ko lang siguro i-compare. Kung naalala niyo yung first game natin last year versus Lasal is like 30-point lead.
Yes.
Oo. Oo. So, ang laki difference yung free throws. So, ano ba gusto ko sabihin? Siguro, coming from all the emotions na itong mga boys natin. May nakita ko isang interview ni Harold, parang super nasaktan na sila sa dalawang or kung ilang championship na first runner-up lang tayo. So, I hope ma-carry over itong emotions nila na to, mag-propel sa nila towards the next game. Singular.
Yes. Hopefully, we can get to finish this by game 2 at MOA on Wednesday. Ang dami natin pwede pag-usapan on this game. Inisip ko kung paano sisimulan. Pero, yes, everything was okay. Iniisip ko from first quarter to third quarter, or at least the first half. Ano bang, may something special ba on both ends na kaya ganito yung nangyayari? Or talagang dikit lang? In the end,
Parang sa akin nga, as expected eh. Ano
oh,
nangyari? Slow start.
hmm,
Slow start na naman, 'di ba? Pero like I said, slow start din yung Lasal. So parang okay lang. Maganda yung defense natin against Lasal except against QMB na naka 18 points no first half. Akala ko Shit, ano to, breakout game to. Ay,
KQ,
Kevin Kiambao,
KQ,
sorry, hindi
KQ.
QMB. KQ. Mali. Maling QMB yung sinabi ko. Kevin QMB yung sinasabi ko. Naka
Ah,
18
Tama pa
points
rin.
ano first half, 'di ba?
yes, yes, yes.
Tapos pero parang siya lang yung effective nun eh. Siya lang yung offense ng Lasal nung first half.
Hindi, may isa pa.
Tapos sino?
EJ Guliena, men. EJ
Oo,
Guliena.
tama.
Killed us
Parang
first half.
ah,
Grabe yun. Grabe.
yun.
Pero
Pero
yun,
apart from them, yun na yun eh. Sila na yung gumagawa, sila na yung pumapatay sa UP na parang yun, nung nangyari yun, cool lang yung team, cool lang yung UP na alam mo yun, steady lang sila sa strategy nila. Walang nagpanic. So walang nagkanya-kanya, walang nagpilit ng alam mo yun, ng gusto nilang gawin. Kahit na lamang yung Lasal ng for the most part mga 7 points no first
ganun.
half. Mga
Oo.
ganun. Ano
So,
lang eh.
oh,
Tuloy-tuloy lang yung steady lang talaga.
yeah.
Talagang weather lang nila yung storm ni Kiambao. And yun, work hard.
Oh, essentially yun
Tumuloy
siya.
lang.
Siguro, actually, pretty much of the game din naman. Dikit. Dikit talaga. Right up until nung nag-run tayo ng third. Ganun eh. It was
Oo.
both teams going at it, and as such, kasi nga, that's why these two teams are in the finals. Kasi nga, they are a match-up nightmare. Sila yung magka-match talaga, kumbaga, for the whole league. So, that's what we saw nung first half, wherein we got flashes of brilliance with KQ, with EJ Guliena. On our end naman, QMB, uh, Maymay, Jacob Baila, ng first half. So, no first half, medyo kalat yung scoring natin. With Maymay scoring 9. Next was Jacob Baila with 5. And QMB with 4, Francis with 4. So, ito yung top scorers natin ng first half. So, first half was a give and take half. Parang warm-up half for both teams. Though the matchups were there, if we see the if we saw the key matchups played nung first half. Initially no first quarter it was Rayland on KQ. Tapos as I mentioned, EJ Gulian had a Spitfire 7 points right away coming off the bench. And actually nung nakita ko yung score nga heading into the first 5 minutes of the game, of the first quarter, we were actually up. So in terms of slow start, it was a slow start dun sa latter half ng first quarter. Hindi siya yung first 5 minutes. Which, akala natin medyo wala. Pero, buti na nga lang, Lasal had their own slow start as well. Then again, it was still negligible. At the end of the first quarter, the score was
18-11.
18-11. Lasal was up by 7. Tapos, second quarter, medyo tumaas yung scoring. 26 points for UP, 23 for Lasal. So, we were up by 3, outscoring them. So, in a way, at the first half, score was 41-37. So, yun nga, medyo talagang dikit lang yung first half. So, nothing much we could dissect deeply from those 2 quarters. Aside from na outlier nga na 18 points for KQ. Come the second half, it was a big third quarter for the UP Fighting Maroons. Wherein UP scored 17 compared to Lasalle's 9. In this quarter, number one, we were better defensively. Okay? On the half court. Mostly man lang naman yung nilalaro natin, if I'm not mistaken. And yun nga, key matchups were, it was either Rayland, Harold, or Jacob Baila on KQ. Then, another key matchup here is QMB on Mike Phillips, wherein mukhang hindi makatulog si Mike Phillips tonight dahil sa ginawa ni QMB sa kanya. At the end of the game, Mike Phillips scored 17, 8 of 14 from the field, no free throw attempts, 11 rebounds. So, still a double-double, pero he bled for these points. He bled for these rebounds. Unlike something he's experienced throughout the season. Guys, what do you guys think about the matchups I mentioned? Or napansin nyo rin ba yun?
Hindi ko masyadong mapansin yung matchups kasi nung first half, tulad ni Bea ngayon, nasa dinner din ako kanina. So parang hindi ko matutukan yung specific matchups. Pero ang masasabi ko diyan sa personal story na yan, dito mo makikita yung kung nung eliminations kung paano na miss ng UP si Maymay nung first game tsaka si QMB nung second game. Kasi ngayon sila yung talagang impact makers dun sa team eh. The way yun nga kung paano dumepensa sa loob si QMB ngayon. Paano kung nandun siya nung second game? Nung round 2, di ba?
Yep.
Baka same story siguro na nanalo din tayo or at least mas dikit yung laban na yun kung nandun siya, yung presence niya. So, yun lang. Yun ang masasabi ko about yung matchup. Specifically, yung inside matchup ni QMB versus lahat ng Lasal inside players. Lalo na si Phillips, di ba?
Malaking difference ng kompleto yung bala ng UP today versus the two eliminations. But tapos, hindi sa sabi, ito ba tayo sabi? In terms of, ang dami ng missed attempts ng Lasal. Nakita, parang tinignan ko yung field goals. 0 out of 4, tas 1 out of 4, parang 5 minutes into the game. Mababa yung score ng UP and Lasal. Nung first half ng third quarter. Pero yun, nabawi ng UP. Tapos, nalimit din nila yung 3-point shooting ng Lasal. Yung third quarter. Oo, parang isa lang. Si Austria lang atay ng 3 points ng third quarter.
So, going back to our preview episode, it showed points for. Ito yung points for natin, nasa 70s. Points allowed, nasa 60s din. So, it went in favor of UP, hence the win. Both on offense and defense. Kumbaga, I mean, generally speaking, again, logically speaking, once we see the numbers. Okay. Aside from that, dun sa mga hindi pala nakapansin, at halftime, we were in foul trouble. 2 on Harold, 2 on Rayland, 2 on Francis. And as the third quarter started, not even 10 seconds yata yun or what, Harold picked up his third already. So, pretty much Harold wasn't there nung third quarter. Rayland also getting his third in the third quarter. To prove that, Harold Alarcon played for 15 minutes and Raylan Torres played for 11 minutes, 12 minutes, ganyan. So, this was something na we weren't really expecting heading into this game. Pero etong klase ng adjustment na ginawa or yung pag-step up na pumalit kay Harold, kay Rayland, kay Francis is something else. Hence, let us give it up to number 1, Aldous Torculas, stepping up in this.
Yes.
7 points, 2 rebounds, 2 assists with perfect free throw shooting and doing a tremendous job on KQ defensively. Okay, we can say KQ had his 18 points in the first half and bulk of those 18 points were scored on Aldous. However, if you guys review the tape, if you guys watch the game again, Aldous was playing good defense on KQ despite him making shots. All shots, or if not most shots, were challenged by Aldous. He was up in his face on KQ's
Oo.
take. Kaya lang talaga sumushoot lang yung shoot ni KQ.
Mapapaano ka na, mapapanganga ka na lang dun sa mga basket ni KQ. Yung step
Oo.
back na, yung step back na nakita ko nung first quarter ata yun. Parang galing eh.
Yung
Ibang
3 points.
klase eh.
Yung step back sa 3 points, mid-range, lahat sumushoot for KQ in the first half. Buti na nga lang nawala yun nung second half. Up next, let's give it up to a guy named Jacob Baila, everybody. Jacob contributed 5 points, 2 rebounds, 1 assist, 3 steals in 20 minutes of play while having the highest plus minus of the team at 18. Jacob Baila, please take a bow, my friend.
Yep.
Good job, Jacob, in this game. So he stepped up in nung nawala si Harold with foul trouble. So if we're gonna go with this logic and by how we saw it nung first half, kumbaga parang siya pa yung third option in terms of guarding KQ. Kasi if it wasn't for Harold, if it wasn't for Rayland, kasi sila yung parang first two choices, at least nung what we saw nung first and second quarter, in guarding KQ.
Mm.
Now, Jacob stepped up and he was all up on KQ's neck, breathing down his neck the whole time he was on the floor. That's the type of defense we need in terms of guarding someone like Kevin Kiambao. Okay?
Sana tumuloy siya next game.
Yes. So Jacob, please, tuloy-tuloy lang yan. Also, he's been quite, off the past few games. But let's give it up for our captain, Jerry Abadiano,
Yes.
feeling that dagger 3 right up in the final minute, just sucking the life out of that Lasal crowd. That's what we needed. Parang the whole game parang di siya nakashoot ng ganun. That was, yes, tama. His only 3-pointer in the game, 1 out of 4. And that was the biggest shot. He was actually struggling the whole game. 3 out of 10 from the field. Buti lang perfect sa free throws. So Jerry, 9 points, 8 rebounds, 1 turnover.
Yun ang surprising, yung 8 rebounds.
A little bit of everything from Jerry. Also defending. Sino binabutan niya yan? Sila Austria, sila Guliena din. Ramiro. Yan. Yun. Sige, banggitin na nga natin to. Medyo magaling yung
Yun yan.
QMB. Medyo magaling siya.
Medyo lang.
Medyo okay siya. Okay, medyo okay siya. Man, as I mentioned earlier, yun nga, yung match-up pa lang kay Mike Phillips, sobrang crucial niya sa atin. But, he actually scored his career high tonight. 17 points. 9 rebounds. Siguro na tinamad lang siya mag-double-double tonight. So, sabi niya, 9 lang muna. 9 lang muna. 3 assists, 2 steals, 1 block. And 12 plus minus for QMB in 34 minutes of play. We felt QMB tonight. He was a machine. He was doing everything what that UP needed in this game. The past 2 Lasal games at that. And sobrang, if we do that again in the second quarter, in the second game, probably get the championship right then and there.
Sana.
Antayin nyo kay QMB.
Ikaw muna, Bea.
Sakto lang siya. Hindi
Sakto
naman
lang
masyado
no?
nawala si Malik. Sobrang
Sakto lang
saktong kapalit.
Ang
Pati
ganda ng
defensive.
yung ano talaga niya, yung presence. Wala eh, parang walang match up yung Lasal against him na alam mo yun, yung one on one mapipigilan siya. Ewan ko, meron ba? Tingin ko wala eh. Kaya siya naka 17 points, 9 rebounds ngayon. Siyempre, mag-a-adjust yung Lasal dyan. Expect na natin yun sa game 2, baka i-double team, triple team yan ng Lasal. So, expect na natin yun. Yun lang. Pero so far, until they show na they can stop him, keep going to him.
I can take that. Okay, let's say they do an adjustment defensively on QMB next game. Pero para sa akin, yung impact niya defensively para sa atin, ah di ko kaya yun kaya yun magtuloy-tuloy. At least defensively, okay. Let's say
Oo naman.
his offensive numbers next game. Pero dapat yung depensa niya, well, his presence in itself is already intimidating for the opposing team. So, kahit yun lang. I mean, alam naman natin yun si QMB, his demeanor, his body language. Okay na siya na
Mm.
dun sa dirty work nagtatrabaho lumalabas yung results niya game on game. So, yung scoring, talagang bonus na lang sa kanya yun We don't really look for him for post-ups as an option offensively, like the primary option. Parang never yun Kaya kanina medyo nagugulat ako na binibigay sa post na siya na lang bahala. Kumaga, and let him do the work. Something we haven't really seen the whole season. Kaya,
Pero
it showed.
ngayon kasi parang kailangan yun kasi yung perimeter shooting natin hindi masyadong maganda kanina.
Yeah.
Alam mo yun, sila Harold, sila Terence, sila Rayland.
Wala.
The past few games sila yung gumagawa from the perimeter. Tas ngayon parang wala yun
Yep.
So talagang sobrang helpful nung opensa ni QMB. Kasi nga doon natin nakuha yung points natin ngayon sa loob Points in the paint, 34. 34 din pala yung Lasal. Pero ibig sabihin, doon tayo, kung wala si QMB doon, paano yung offense natin? Kung wala nga yung shooting, outside shooting natin, mid-range shooting, hindi siya masyadong magpakita kanina. Baka natalo tayo ngayon. Di ba? Ganun lang yung So sana, it helps na nandun siya. Kumaga next game kung siguro hindi siya maging first option. Pero again, kung mawawala yung shooting natin, sana nandun pa rin siya. QMB, I mean, sana nandun pa rin siya.
So, posible nga yung option na yun hindi nilabas the whole season and ngayon lang talaga nagka-capitalize or baka ngayon yung magic bunot ni Coach Gold
Pwede.
nilabas just right now. Pero kung titingnan natin, hindi rin pilit Yung mga scoring niya. Yes, we usually get the QMB my pick and roll up top. And that's how he scores mostly the whole season 87. But itong yung talagang post up siya, isolate. Ngayon lang natin nakita yun Parang, yeah. Plus, siguro nga may mismatches minsan. Kaya binibigay sa kanya. And, Matic, he is a match-up nightmare. Kaya wala rin naman talaga makapigil sa kanya kanina. So, let's see how Lasal adjusts on that next game. Bea, meron ka ba on QMB?
Wala na masyado. Yung na lang siguro later, additional points ang pwede improve.
Sige.
Pwede
Talking about
sorry.
the other key guy here tonight. JD Kagulangan, medyo familiar ba sa inyo?
Di ba yun?
Familiar ba sa inyo yan?
Parang narinig ko na yung pangalan ng dati.
Kasi si JD, the second top scorer tied with Francis Lopez at 13 points. My, just like QMB, played 34 minutes today, 35. 13 points, 4 rebounds, 5 assists, 1 steal, 2 blocks. 2 blocks, dude who isn't even 6 feet. And he had 2 turnovers. We'll take that any day from JD Kagulangan. So,
Yes.
what did you see from JD?
Floor general. Parang yun yung naging role niya talaga ngayon eh. Oo, gumawa siya, nakascore sa 13 points. Pero yung parang yung presence niya talaga naging calming presence para sa team. Alam mo yun, pag nandun siya, alam niya paano i-direct yung UP. Kaya yung offense natin medyo ano eh, hindi walang giggle, walang pilit, walang uh, boneheaded plays the whole game. Which shows sa turnover numbers natin. 11 lang. 11 turnovers lang tayo buong game.
Yeah.
Sobrang gandang number nun. Yung Lasal, si QMB, meron siya 6 turnovers. Si Mike Phillips may 4. Tapos tayo buong team 11 lang. 'Di ba?
QMB
Yun yung
Kiambao. QMB Kiambao.
Kiambao. Sorry. Si Kiambao. Ba't kasi pare-pareho yung letters nila eh. Si KQ, 6 turnovers. Si Mike Phillips, 4 turnovers. So silang dalawa pa lang, meron silang 10.
Yeah.
Yung UP, total 11. So, yan yung sinasabi ko na nakuha ng Lasal yung usual turnover numbers nila. Nakuha nila usual offensive rebounding numbers nila. Pero dahil konti lang turnovers natin, nakuha natin yung panalo. Doon tayo bumawi.
Sabihin ko. Yung meron din tayong we had our own sets of wild turnovers. Though buti na nga lang, kukunti lang sa this game.
Konti lang.
Meron din eh, di ba?
Oo.
Sobrang konti.
Hindi
to the point na
Parang
11.
hindi naman may iwasan yun ng lahat ng teams na magkaroon ng stupid turnovers here and there. Pero it's a matter of ilimit mo lang, which we did today.
We did. Could be, if we haven't checked, could be our lowest turnover output in the whole season. What best way to do it in the finals at that.
Yep.
Yeah, for sure, meron ako sabihin kay JD. What do you think?
Tama yung sinasabi ni Enzo kanina na parang sa floor siya in general. But also, I think hindi lang sa floor na dadala yung energy na meron si JD, pati sa crowd. Kasi parang ako every time pinapanood ko si JD, pag bigla siyang nakakashoot, very nostalgic of what happened nung championship natin. Parang, ay, oo nga pala, andito pa si JD. Nare-remind ako na kaya nating manalo. Kasi no first half, sabi ko nga kay Tim, hindi ako masyado nanonood, parang nasasaktan ako sa score. Kahit na 5 lang, or 7 yung lang. Nasal kasi yung kalaban natin. Yun. Pero, dahil nandyan si JD at si QMB, malaking confidence yung nadadala nila both for the team and for the crowd. Yun.
Yeah. Oh, yan mismo, yan yung mindset ko nun. Parang, should we be dominating this game, ganyan, if you want a win? Pero, yun nga, it's hard to, it's a final, so, and Lasal pa kalaban natin. So, posibleng dikit lang talaga yung maging output nitong how the game was played. And it showed. And good for us na we had a big run in the third. And we were able to maintain that all the way to the fourth. Kaya we were able to sustain that and get the win. Nung fourth quarter naman, tuloy lang naman yung naging half-court defense, better half-court defense that we had. Hence, we were able to get stops we were able to get points. Medyo nahirapan lang tayo nung part na nag-zone bigla yung Lasal.
Yun
Late
nga
fourth,
sasabihin ko.
'di ba? So
Doon
doon
sila nag-run eh.
nakahabol pa sila, 'di ba? And napansin ko rin parang nag-third ba to o fourth? Siguro late third. Nag-press din sila na parang 2-1-2 eh. After made baskets nila. Kaya doon medyo nakahabol pa rin sila yata. But luckily, we were able to surpass that challenge. Kaya
Yep.
ito, yeah, we got to win. Yun. Um, so ikaw, ano napansin mo dun, Zo, nung nag-zone bigla?
Doon ako kinabahan. Kasi bukod sa... Kaya sila nakahabol. Kasi ang ganda ng stops nila doon eh. Hindi lang dahil hindi tayo makashoot, pero ang isa, supalpal hindi ko maalala kung sino naka-block. Tapos nag-fast break yung Lasal. Tapos naka-score. Tapos yung isa, basta may steal. Na steal. Tapos meron pang ibang sequence na parang pinipilit nilang i-feed si QMB. Tama, si QMB. Pinifeed nila si QMB sa post habang naka-zone yung Lasal. Tapos turnover. Doon ako kinabahan kasi parang, ito na ba yung time na hindi tayo makakasagot sa counter punch ng Lasal na mag-zone defense sila. Ito na ba yun? Pero, yun, again, na-withstand naman ng team yun. Nakabawi naman. On the other end, tight pa rin yung defense, lalo na kay Kiambao at kay Phillips. May isang possession na parang dinoble team si Kiambao. Tapos binigay niya kay Phillips, tapos dinoble team si Phillips, tapos shot clock violation ata sila nun eh. Basta bad shot sila nun. Yun
Yun.
yung parang, yun yung image ng game na to. Maganda yung depensa natin. Tapos walang nasagot yung Lasal during that time. So,
Yan yung,
great.
that
Ang
was,
sarap panoorin nun.
that was probably the pivotal moment nung laro. Or
Oo.
yung drive si Ramiro, tas na-block ni JD late in the fourth as well.
Mm.
Those two stops we got gave us the best momentum in closing out the game. Plus, of course, yung big three-pointer ni Jerry as a dagger. So pretty much yun na yun eh. Yun na yun the whole, yun na yun to close out this game. After that, they were fouling to try to come back. Buti na lang we were able to make our free throws. Si Harold was perfect. QMB ba? May ata yung sumunod na free throws down the stretch. And yeah. So we were able to make a run at the right time. Essentially, generally speaking, we were able to make a run at the right time. And we
Mhm.
were able to make stops in the second half. Kasi nga, KQ had 18 points, probably the dream first half he could have had. But we were able to stop him no second half. Thanks to Jacob Baila again with 1 point in the second half. Isa pang hindi natin nababanggit, Francis Lopez. Man, Francis, depensa, opensa, was everywhere tonight.
Mr. Chase Down Black.
Oo eh. Talagang Lebron eh. Lebron talaga eh.
Oh,
He played 24 minutes with 4 blocks, 13 points, 6 rebounds, 2 assists, 2 turnovers, okay lang, 1 steal. Man, Francis Lopez. This is the
siya
type.
yung last line of defense na wala sa last line ng defense. Alam mo yan? Pagka nakalusot na yung kalaban, biglang siya pa rin eh.
Siya
Siya
pa
pa
rin.
rin nakakasupal-pal eh, di ba?
Ang galing eh. Minsan iniisip ko hindi na abot. Pero umaabot pa rin. Lalo yung kay
Maabot eh,
Austria.
parang may last, ano siya eh, may booster sa pagpalapit na yung ano eh, yung basket. Bigla sa bumibilis eh. Bigla sa bumibilis, tumataas yung talon niya. Tapos makuha niya yung block. For some reason, di ba?
Yes. So Francis, this is the type of effort of mindfulness, the term I would like to have for Francis. The type of mindfulness we need from you. Yeah, he was in foul trouble, but buti lang he was able to manage. He was 0 of 2 from downtown. Buti dalawa lang pala yung attempt niya. But from the field, he was 45% and 3 of 4 from the free throw line. Well and good. Well and good. He was also guarding Phillips yata at times, if I'm not mistaken. Or yeah. Kaya medyo loaded din siya pati sa depensa. Pero yun, sobrang ganda. We were able to it was a total team effort pa rin, syempre. Pero the ones who stepped up, ito yung inaabangan namin the whole season. Ito yun. So, the firepower was felt tonight. The defense, tawag dito. The defensive hunger was felt tonight. Yung sinasabi natin na mindset heading into this game na depensa, we saw that tonight. Dun sa preview na sinasabi natin. And dun sila nagsimula. Hindi sa opensa.
Yes.
Yun yung
Yes.
inaabangan natin. And it showed. Again, I mentioned KQ had his points. However, those were good challenges on our end. Kaya okay lang yun. We'll take those any day. Wala, sumut talaga eh. But then, the challenge was there. A hand was on his face. And kung sumut. Yun. That was the game. Kung minamiss kami ni Enzo, kindly comment down below. But
Mhm.
on Lasalle's end, siguro nga, naramdaman yung pagkawala nila. Another thing pala na crucial din na nangyari. Si Joshua David nawala with an injury. So from that point on, nahirapan na sila to facilitate their offense. It was Ramiro who was manning the point guard duties once he left. And si Austria, si Guliena who was hot nung simula, lumamig din. Si Marasiga, si Dungo wasn't really doing much. Makalalag as well. No points for him. Despite the 24 minutes. Even Gonzalez as well, hindi natin na naramdaman tonight. Siguro nga dahil sa heavy minutes kay Cambao and Phillips. But siguro we saw how difficult it was for them solely relying on KQ and Mike Phillips alone.
Mhm.
Kasi nung eliminations, it was I think si Dungo had a good game against us. Gonzalez as well. And wala yung
Parang ano sila eh. Doon sa eliminations, kahit last season nga eh, ganun din eh. Yung dangerous ang Lasal kapag yung ibang shooters nila gumagawa.
Mhm.
Alam mo yun, pagka okay, stop mo si Kembaw, papasa niya. Tapos magsaswing yung ball around. Tapos biglang open shooter. Kakanayan eh.
bail out
Siya
3.
yung gagawa.
Oo.
Bail out 3. Si David, si Austria,
Yun.
sino man. Yun yung mga usual suspects sila eh. Ngayon, hindi yun nangyari.
At least for this game, no? At least for this game.
For this game,
Walang ganun.
may nakita ba tayong ganun? Meron ba tayong nakitang open 3 ng Lasal na alam ba yung usual open 3? Ano yun? Kung ano sila sabi kong klase na tira nila.
Yep.
Parang wala eh. And yun, props talaga sa defense natin na na-prevent natin yung mga ganong klaseng attempts, opportunities for Lasal. So, yung shooters nila, never really got into a good rhythm. Kasi nga wala silang magandang opportunity for those kinds of shots.
Hindi natin alam kung sadya yun or talagang maalat lang sila tonight.
Pwede
Pero
rin.
nyo,
Pwede hindi
even,
talaga sila pumunta dun sa ganun.
yeah. Kasi even, ito, si Austria naka 7 points pa pala. Siya na yung highest after EJ Guliano with 11. Ramiro had 5. Joshua David had 2 points only in 23 minutes. Agunani had 2 points only with 4 rebounds. Marasigan had 2 points. Dungo 0. Makalalag 0. Gonzalez 0. Rubico 0. This was a 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 man rotation used by DLSU. Pero essentially, ano lang to? Sampu, ganun. On UP's end, it was a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Similar, mga 12, 13, ganyan. Pero the main rotation was around 10 din, ganyan. Yeah. Yeah, that was game 1. A tough grind it out win by UP. Something we've been something that we've been hoping for ever since that tough loss we had in game 3 last season.
Yes.
Pero kung isipin mo, natalo din natin sa Phil Oil, but then it was a totally different team we had then, even Lasal. So, ito na talaga yung complete. As we mentioned, they haven't really beaten us complete. Now we were a complete team and we beat them. Yeah, again, we are here on a similar situation as we have been in the past ilang seasons? 4?
3.
Hindi, pero kasi nung 84, game 1 tayo pa rin nanalo di ba? Tama ba ako? Oo. If I'm not mistaken, we took
Oo.
one.
So parang 4 straight finals na tayo na palagi tayong panalo ng game 1.
Yes. However, the past 2 seasons nga, we weren't able to close out despite getting game 1. So again, I'm sure the players need no reminder anymore that this is still not a job that is finished.
Yes.
Wala na tayong better reminder para sa kanila, para sa ating fans as well, na ipaalala na hindi pa tayo nagka-champion. This is just...
Maganda rin yung nanalo tayo this way kasi hindi siya ganun ka-dominant win. So parang, alam mo, nothing to be confident about kasi nakahabol pa nga ng dulo yung Lasal eh.
close.
Hindi naman tayo...
Ball game. Oo.
Diba? Ano biggest lead natin? 12?
Pero,
ba?
in the end,
11, no? 11 points.
Yes,
pero,
parang di mo
11 points, di mo mararamdaman yun eh.
Yep.
Tapos, yun nga, okay na nanalo tayo this way kasi hindi ka ganun ka-confident sa team na ganito pa rin yung magiging result sa next game. Kahit na if we play the same way, alam mo yun, next game, paano kung gumawa na si Kiambao sa second half? Diba? Paano kung ganun? Paano kung nakakashoot na sila Austria, sila David? Baka different story. Kahit na ganito yung exactly yung laro natin. Kung gumagawa sila offensively, ibang story. So, marami pa rin pwede mangyari sa next game na pwedeng ikatalo ng team. Kaya, at least nga tayo this way, walang magiging overconfident whether sa players, sa coaches, sa fans. Wala. next game, para manalo tayo, kailangan nating alam mo, back to zero tayo eh. Kailangan nating sipag ulit. Kailangan natin dumepensa ulit. Kailangan ulit nating maka find ng way kung paano tayo makascore. Kasi for sure, may adjustments na yan by now as we speak.
Iisip na
Diba?
din.
1 hour after the game, nag-iisip na si Topex ng paano nila babantayan si QMB, paano nila susolusyonan si Maymay, paano mas magiging effective yung ibang players nila. So, yun.
For sure, may nakita na yung mga, may nasilip na yung mga yan.
Meron.
Ano sila pwede
Sigurado yan.
on the next game. And another thing na what if is that, paano kung mas alagaan na ng Lasal yung bola next game, di ba?
Oo, yun. Sa pa yun.
Maaring dikit pa rin posible, yeah, but who knows? Maybe they could score more points. In terms of free throw shooting, 9 of 11 sila. Tayo 17 out of 23. So that's good that we got more attempts than they did. 74%. We'll take that. Kahit
Mhm.
percentage baba to, but then we made double of what they had. Uh, Again, turnovers. Way to go in terms of turnovers, taking care of the ball. Rebounding, we had 37. They had 48. We'll attribute this to medyo in terms of attempts, mas marami pa rin sila field goal, 72, tayo 66 lang. Kasi they had also again offensive rebounds, 20
Offensive rebounds talaga.
20 for Lasal.
Oo.
Half of those rebounds that they had came from offensive rebounds, pretty much. So yun, another thing na we could have so more ano to, more things to improve on again.
Mhm.
Yan. Yeah. Sorry, ano yan? Abu Dhabi na ba? May upload na?
Oo, paano na, pa-start na.
Okay,
Kaya
okay.
ako naka ano eh, kaya ako naka Ferrari,
Tifosi.
Carlos Sainz.
Tifosi.
Last race na ni Sainz sa Ferrari. So, my
Sige,
boy.
natin to. Yun lang naman eh. Again, we're happy. Of course, we're happy we got game 1. We're happy we got
Yup.
to beat Lasal again finally. We're happy of how QMB, JD, Francis, Jacob played tonight. These were the
Mhm.
guys who stepped up and sobrang ramdaman naman yung performance nila, yung effectiveness nila.
Oh shit.
Start na?
Boom. Crash. Oo, nag-crash na
Ano?
sino ba yan? Si Norris ba yan? Tsaka si Max?
Yellow agad, yellow.
Okay.
Anyway, okay. So, may time pa si Enzo. Yun. Again, we have not achieved anything yet. That is very
Wala
much
pa.
to the whole UP community. I'm pretty sure. So, yeah, we can enjoy this win tonight.
Mhm.
And we have 2 or 3 days to Wednesday. So, if you can watch, please do watch. UP community. Hopefully, we get to close out. We'll do our best in being present on Wednesday. That is our way of helping the team close it out on game 2. A championship that sobrang inaasam-asam natin the past 2-3 years.
Yes.
Hopefully, we get to secure that. So, the boys should keep their heads on the ground. Tama ba yun? Keep their feet on the ground.
Feet.
Yung heads sila, chin
Ano
up
lang.
pa rin, pero
Steady lang. Steady lang.
level pa rin. We can't be too
Oo.
high from this win, we can't be too low. It's impossible to be too low. We can't be too high from this win. Kailangan ibalik natin sa normal. Kasi nga, wala pa naman nangyayari. We just got game 1. That's it. And from all
Yup.
teams, tayo yung relate from experience na getting game 1 does not equate to a championship. Okay? Yun lang yun. So,
we should know. They should know. Especially yung players, yung coaches.
they've been there.
Sila yun eh.
So, tuloy lang, laban lang. We haven't done anything yet. Zo, para sa'yo.
Ako gagawin ko rin yung part ko para manalo tayong championship. Hindi ako manonood ng live. Alam niyo yan, season 84, wala ako ng close-out game. Nanalo tayo. 85-86, nandun ako nung game 3. Talo tayo. Natuto na ako. Okay. So, para sa team, para sa community, wala ako dyan. Huwag niyo ako hanapin. Kasi pag hinanap niyo ako dyan, baka matalo tayo. Okay. Yun lang.
Pero dun sa mga nanood tonight pala, sobrang congratulations sa inyo. So, sobrang sarap siguro ang feeling kanina while you guys were in Araneta. It was nice to see,
Yes.
I never thought I'd say this, pero it was nice to see a quiet Lasal crowd amidst the thunderous UP crowd. So, even if sa TV lang ako nanonood, kitang-kita yung lakas nung pag-cheer ng UP crowd. And
Oo.
alam niyan, it's something special. No? So, yeah. Good job, guys. Good job, boys.
Good
Uh,
job.
Pinatahimik nyo kami ni Enzo. Lahat ng mga pinagsasabi namin. Nakita namin tonight yung mga ina-expect namin na effort.
Oo.
Tawag dito. Yung mga yun, lahat lumabas tonight, hence the win on a final stage. And we are really, really happy with this result. And hopefully nga, we get to secure it in game 2. Yes.
Please. Please.
The Maroons, pahinga kayo. UP Community, pahinga kayo. And again, let's go all out on Wednesday. See you guys in the next one. Let's get this win. Let's get this championship, please. See you on
Go!
UP fight. Let's go, guys.
UP fight.
Tara. Tapusin natin to. See you
Let's
guys.
go!
Thank you, Zo. Thank you, Bea. Thanks.
Thank you.